Alrighty guys, so in today's video, my daughter's Xbox, the fan stopped working. Not sure why, but today we're gonna just replace it and hope that that's it. I mean, the power still works, everything still works, USB ports, all that, so I don't think it's a power supply issue, but could be wrong. Let's hope not. Here we go. So these two screws back here are usually under two stickers. Just flop it up like so. Place this aside. Yeah, she was trying to play Fortnite and it kept shutting off due to overheating. Very odd situation. Yeah, that's the one. So on this, we're not going to be taking out all the screws. So we're going to take out the ones that indicate that are holding in the case, which is these green ones, and then there's two that indicate for the fan. So fan and fan. All the rest, like the power supply and whatever, we could just leave there. And it's impossible to mix up the screws because they're literally all the same and color coded. So get her in. That should be the last one there. Then, since we're already here, we're going to take out this fan screw and this fan screw. Now they're indicated. Put these two right next to those two. I believe. Yeah. Like this. Oh yeah, we got these boards. Board's gonna come off. Swap out to the first bit. And again, same thing. All these screws are the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing and matching. Now, as a quick test, I will turn it on to see if it is indeed just a fan. Once I'm inside. That's the controller board, I guess. This is your lovely power button board. Right now, because we're going to test the system real quick, verify the fan is indeed not working. It's fairly straightforward. I like that they made this console in particular very serviceable. It's a good thing. Some systems make it so that it's really hard to find the correct screw, the correct this and that, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's actually just pop this off right now. There we go. There's the top shroud. See, Yeah, look at that. You see how it's stiff? Like, it should keep spinning. Oh, that part right here is fine. Yeah, it sticks right there. Right there. So I guess it's been rubbing on itself for who knows how long. And there, just be careful. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's been rubbing on itself for God knows how long, so I forgot. I gotta test it first, so let's plug it back in. There we go. And then, cable. Just so you can see. Oh, but also I could see. In goes power board, plug that in. So it does turn on. Fan refuses to spin. So just give it a quick power down. Unplug it. Should be fairly straightforward. Move that aside so that I don't accidentally bump it. And then here we go. So this fan is shot. How many blades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 blades. The new fan here has 7 blades. I'm not sure if that means it'll be better at cooling. But it is a slightly different. Oh, look, right off the jump, you can see it's already rotating. Just by moving it like this. This one doesn't rotate at all. Oh, wait, a little bit. But there is a spot where it gets stuck. Yeah, right there. So hopefully, that's all that comes. It's a bit different, but a lot less plastic and such. It does fit, and it sets in. Even though there's a little less plastic, I've noticed even the bezel all around, like this thicker part, is not as thick. I don't think that that'll be a problem by any means. So, and it looks like there's a slot open here. There, yeah, slots open here, slots open here. There's a, yep, there's a gasket. So I mean, it should be fine. Let's plug it back in. And actually, I like to pull this off. Get that out of here. Put it back in. Fingers crossed. Let's do this. That's up back. There we go. There we go. Fingers crossed. Oh! Ha! That's hilarious. We already know before even turning it on, it did a quick spin. But look at that. Look at that. How long did that take me? 5 minutes. And it's good to go. Look at that. Oh, that's some good airflow. Oh, yeah. Ching, ching. Daddy wins this one. Kid's going to be happy when she gets back from school. All right. I mean, that's a pretty clean system too, eh? Well, I mean, there you have it. It's not that hard. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. So if you notice your kid's system is overheating, and you don't want to pay another, how much was this? Like $400 or something like that? you're doing. Oh no, that's a fan. You know what? I'm putting these in now. I probably shouldn't because they go for the case. But it might just be alright. After I put on all the bullets. Good. That was pretty easy. I'm happy with just the fan. I kind of rolled the dice. I'm like, well, everything's powering up fine. Everything looks fine. Except the fan isn't spinning, so let's hope it's just the fan. And sure enough, that's all it was. Could have been a power supply problem, but I'm almost certain that if it was a power supply, the USB ports or something else would be glitching out, you know. I don't even think it would probably turn on, or the light would be flickering, or yeah. So in a way, I'm happy that this just happened the way it happened. I remember to back up till you feel it click and then center it. You don't want to cross thread. Cross threading is a nightmare. Board goes on the A side. I think this is the Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, that's a Wi-Fi chip for sure. Gotta be. I love it when console manufacturers make it that simple. Swap out a part. Yeah, and everything just plugs into, like these controllers. It's just like a quick plug-in. Same with the power supply. The power supply is an easy plug-in as well. So if you're having power supply issues, that black box inside of it is literally like 7 screws or 8 screws and like 1 pin away from just being pulled out. Oh yeah. Just put it in a fan. There we go. And this one here. This one is the larger screws. I'm gonna switch up to the larger head. Oh, these are brand new posts, so they are not threaded yet. There we go. And there you go. And now, big meat hands for the wind. And then we open up the sides here. It's kind of just how she goes. Screws are in place. And maneuver it so that everything lines up in the back. Probably should have not put those in right away. Don't do what I did. Catching on the posts. There you go. Look at that. Don't do what I did. Wait till it's in. Wait till it's in, and then verify buttons work. Now place them in. Okay. Perfect. Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Go through everything real quick. Make sure those are all nice and tight. Fan. Everything's good. Bottom slides on. Smaller bit. In real good. Yeah. Looks good. Reapply the whiteout stickers. And this one. And now for the final test. Plug it back in. Beautiful. Well, again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and yeah, see you next time. Bye. I just figured I want to tear apart the original fan to see where it went wrong and why the motor just decided to quit. So let's see if I can get that done. I want to see sort of like how it failed. Let me move this plug out of the way here. Out of curiosity, because like I bought this Xbox like maybe 2 years ago. Actually, exactly 2 years ago. Two Christmas ago. I mean, the gear, everything kind of still feels fine. And there's not any apparent noises, no bearing issues that I can tell. Nothing back here. Alrighty, let's see if I can just separate it somehow. Oh, well, that just hit me in the forehead. Ow. Well, there we go. We've got a little circuit board. Alrighty, I think something here. Probably one of these, they really pack that much freaking tack into a fan? Why is there, like, I don't understand why there needs to be. Literally, you just have to provide the motor power. Maybe there's more in this case, I don't know. I guess, yeah, thermal, you're gonna have to, it's gonna have to relate to the system, like, hey, this is how fast we're going, all this extra shit. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. Probably something on this board that failed. Because the motor itself feels fine. Well, there's a small rub in it somewhere. Yeah. But it's hard to tell if it's just a actually, no. Yeah. I think the board, I think one of these fuses. To get under there and just like pry that up. Let's see. It's yeah, it's press fitted in. Okay, so hold on, I can go in from the side here. And then just and from this side. And then just kind of, I guess, repeat the process. Whoa, there we go. It feels so flimsy. There we go. All right, Mike, show me what your heart. And you know what though? It's a pretty. So yeah, I don't think there was really anything wrong with the bearing because I don't see, there's nothing in this that would, that has to be on the board. That's for sure. For sure a board issue. Well, you can see here a bunch of little resistors and like fuses and stuff. Oh, wait a second, look at that. That looks, it almost looks like it like burnt, exploded out. There's like a hole in this this chip right here. Or am I hallucinating? No, that's a freaking hole, dude. Huh. That's weird. But yeah, something here went bad. Again, thanks for watching the video. Cheers.